Let me show you something weird. Some students study chemistry for 6 hours and still forget everything, while others study for just 2 hours and remember almost everything. Feels illegal, right? But it's not. You're just using the wrong system. You open your chemistry book, see a bunch of formulas, reactions, weird symbols, and your brain just goes, nope. So what do? You reread, highlight, watch videos, and still feel confused. Here's the thing. Chemistry is not about memorizing. It's about pattern recognition. But nobody teaches you that, so you try to memorize everything and your brain gets overloaded. Your brain hates random information, but it loves patterns. Think about it like this. You don't memorize every word in a movie. You understand the story. Same with chemistry. Step 1. Learn the why first. Before memorizing any reaction, ask, why does this happen? Even a simple reason is enough, because when you understand, memory becomes automatic. Step 2. Use active recall. Close your book. Try to explain the concept like you're teaching someone. If you can't explain it, you don't understand it yet. Step 3. Study in short bursts. Forget 5-hour sessions. Do this instead. 50 minutes focus, 10 minutes break. Repeat twice. That's it. Step 4. Visualize everything. Draw reactions, use arrows, turn concepts into diagrams, because your brain remembers images way faster than text. Here's what most people don't realize. Fast learners are not smarter. They just use better systems. Chemistry isn't hard. Your method is. Fix the method and everything changes. If this helped, subscribe, because I'll show you how to study smarter, not harder.